Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Arrays are a fundamental data structure in Python, providing a way to store and manipulate collections of items. In Python, arrays are implemented using the built-in array module. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of arrays in Python, including their creation, manipulation, and common operations. An array is a collection of items, where each item can be of any data type. In Python, arrays are homogeneous, meaning they can only store elements of the same type. The array module provides a way to create arrays with elements of a specific data type. To use arrays in Python, you first need to import the array module. Here's an example of creating a simple array of integers. In this example, I denotes the data type of the array, which is an integer. You can choose different data types such as F for floating point numbers, D for double precision floating point numbers, etc. You can access elements in an array using index notation, similar to lists in Python. The index starts from 0 for the first element. Here's an example. Arrays in Python are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements after creation. To modify an element, simply assign a new value to the desired index. The array module provides several useful methods for performing operations on arrays. Here are some examples. You can iterate through the elements of an array using a loop. Here's an example using a for loop. Arrays in Python provide a versatile way to work with collections of data. By using the array module, you can create and manipulate arrays efficiently. Understanding the basics of arrays is crucial for more advanced programming tasks and data manipulation. This tutorial covers the fundamentals, but there is much more to explore, such as multidimensional arrays and advanced array operations. As you continue your Python journey, experimenting with arrays will enhance your programming skills and broaden your understanding of data structures in Python. ChatGPT